Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix audio not working on Windows 11. Follow these steps in order even if the problem seems small. First, check the basics. Make sure your speakers or headphones are properly connected. If they are wired, unplug and plug them back in. If they are Bluetooth, confirm Bluetooth is turned on and the device is connected. Next, run the built-in audio troubleshooter. Open Settings from the Start menu. Go to System, then Troubleshoot, and open other troubleshooters. Find the audio and click Run. Let Windows scan your system and apply any fixes it suggests. Now check that the correct audio output device is selected. Open Settings, go to System, then Sound. Under Output, select the device you actually use, such as speakers or headphones. If more than one device is listed, switch between them and test the sound. If audio still does not work, restart the Windows Audio service. Go to Windows Search and type Services. Open Services from the search result. When it opens, find Windows Audio in the list of services, right-click it, and choose Restart. Make sure the service is running. Next, update your audio driver. Open Device Manager from the Start menu. Expand sound, video, and game controllers. Right-click your audio device and choose Update Driver, then search automatically. Let Windows update the drivers. These steps should fix the problem if it is not hardware related. Thanks for watching.